Attachment only, requires the work Sharp Ken-Onion Edition sharpener for use. This 4-pulley attachment is adjustable to sharpen knives and tools from 10° to 35° and includes 5 or 1x18 engineered abrasive belts in a wide range of grits. This attachment is similar to what blade makers use. Provides a wide range of adjustability, you can custom shape, sharpen and hone your blades at home. The belt speed is adjustable from 1200 SFM to 2800 SFM to accommodate a wide range of sharpening and honing tasks. The blade grinder attachment provides a full selection of 1x18 abrasive grit belts and also accepts an optional high-density cotton belt for power stropping. Other info. Kit includes blade grinding attachment that quickly installs to KTS-KO base. 5 abrasive belts, P120 extra coarse, X65 coarse, X22 medium, X4 fine, and 12,000 extra fine. Adjustable center distance and angle lever. Reference plate. Bench mounting tab. Hub fastener. 90° grind plate. Boxed. For use with the Ken-Onion Edition work sharp knife and tool sharpener only. Does not fit the original sharpener. Top reviews from the United States. Fast, accurate ordering. Works as advertised. Great product.